Hi friends, today I want to share with you all about our Mighty Mini. This is the smallest of our Flexi clip sizes. We do have 7 sizes. It still has the piano wire, so it's flexible attached, and then it has the 3 to 4 notches on the pin that I put different amounts of hair in for different styles. Now typically we see the Mini used to hold just small amounts of hair back to secure bangs or to pull just a little bit away from your face. Or you might see just pulling just a little bit back here, secured to hold it that way. It works really well for that, or ladies with super fine thin hair. But you can also use the Mighty Mini to secure voluminous hair. And that's what I want to share with you today. A couple styles that even those with thick hair can use the Mini, which makes this a great giftable size. So if you're looking to gift someone a Mini, typically any type of hair can use it, even those with really thick, full hair. So to start, we're going to do a ponytail with wrapped hair around your ponytail. So you can go as high or as low as you'd like, and then you're going to wrap your own hair around that ponytail, and then this becomes your new hairband. We do not use elastics with any of these. We really don't need to. So you can see that that band becomes your own hair, becomes your hairband. Then I'm going to take the pin and it just slides along that band to the other side, and then I'm just going to catch that end through the loop on the other side, and that is going to secure that ponytail very well. You'll see that it doesn't pull on your scalp. It's so much more comfortable than an elastic, and it will not slide. So a great option for long hair, thick hair. You can create that ponytail with just a Mini. Then for the second one, I'm going to do a variation on a halfback. So it's a halfback with a twist and a bump, and you'll see what I mean. So I start around my ears and come back and kind of create that halfback. Just grab that much hair. Rather than 2 strands from each side, you're going to incorporate all of that across the top. Okay, like so. Then you're going to take that and you're going to give it a good twist, at least a half twist, if not a little bit more. And then you're going to bump it up, which is going to create that volume. So that's the twist and the bump. Now, when you put this in, you want to make sure you're gathering hair on both sides of that twist to anchor it so that it is not going to go sideways on you. It's going to anchor it really well so it'll stay like that. And then you have that volume. You can even pull up a little bit more. If you want more volume, you can pull that up. But it gives it just a different look, maybe a little bit more elegant than your traditional halfback. And lastly, this little tiny Mighty Mini can hold a bun of even voluminous amounts of hair. So all you're going to do is take your hair and create your bun. And you can do Celtic knot buns, you can do all kinds, but I'm just going to wrap that hair around into just a basic bun. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take that little pin and I'm going to go inside just the very outer edge of that bun. I'm going to go down to my scalp to grab some hair from underneath, and then I'm going to come immediately back up. So I just have a small amount of hair in that clip, but that's all I need to secure that bun. And then you can kind of tug and pull it if you need. Might have gotten that one a little wonky, but that is going to hold my bun all day long. So super comfortable. You don't have the uncomfortable elastics that are going to break your hair. It's still very gentle. And then when it's time to take it out, you pull the pin and it's out with no damage to your hair. So consider the Mighty Mini if you haven't tried one before, and remember that this is a great giftable size, and I hope you're able to try one soon. Thanks. Have an awesome day.